In 2024, TAF Africa, in association with the Port Harcourt government, started the biggest housing project in Port Harcourt, which is the Greater TAF City. 2 years later, this is exactly what this particular project is looking like. This is the duplex area. It's a 4-bedroom duplex, and you can have your boys quarter or staff quarter in this plot as well. You can see the space are so good, so spacious. 2 to 3, 4 cars can enter here comfortably. Now, this is what the duplex looks like inside. This is the visitor's toilet, and right here is the sitting room area. Your dining area can be here, and then we have the kitchen, first bedroom here. This is the kitchen area. You can see it's a spacious and very solid house. Very solid house. One good thing about here is that you can remodel anyhow you want. It must not be the way the carcass comes, because this comes as a carcass, so you can design your house to your taste. Right here is the primary bedroom. You can see you have a glass ceiling if you want, so you can see outside. This is the walk-in wardrobe and bathroom and toilet for the primary living room. This is the children's room, okay? And then this is the upstairs lounge. And then the final bedroom is this. This is the madam's room, if you want to call it that, or the final bedroom for the kids. Now this is what the carcass looks like. When you buy, you design whatever you want to remodel to your taste. Whatever you want to take out, you take out to your taste. It is currently going for 160 million naira. You can pay all at once or make an initial deposit of 20% and spread your balance within 12 months without any extra charges. So if you want to take advantage of this, give me a call through the number on your screen. Behind me here, you will see this is the Obliquere Road. Just a few minutes away from the airport is where Greater TAF City is located. It is in a premium estate community. The Greater TAF City is one premium development that if you want to raise your family in Port Harcourt without issue, without stress, in your own home, then you can come take advantage of having your duplex right here in Greater TAF City. Give me a call today and let's talk further.